Most people view black holes as terrifying objects, but in reality, they are essential to our existence. Let me explain why. Black holes play a crucial role in the formation of large galaxies, like our very own Milky Way. They act as a gravitational bond that holds entire galaxies together. Take the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A. It has a profound impact on the motion of stars and celestial bodies within its vicinity. Just as the Earth orbits the Sun itself orbits Sagittarius A. If we were to remove this central black hole, the Sun would be flung out into interstellar space, dragging the entire solar system, including Earth, along with it. Over time, the absence of a central black hole would cause the entire galaxy to fall apart. In the short term, it might not pose an immediate problem for us, except for the drastic changes in the night sky and the familiar stars we observe. However, in the long term, our galaxy would lose the gravitational force needed to capture and hold other wandering objects. It could even get captured by a larger star, leaving us isolated in the vast expanse of space. The once vibrant night sky would turn pitch black, with only a few distant galaxies remaining visible. We would find ourselves alone in the vast emptiness of the universe. Black holes are the cosmic architects that shape and organize galaxies, making our universe what it is today. Without them, the universe would be an entirely different place.